Hello guys, I warmly welcome you back once again to our YouTube channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to become a data bundle agent without any stress. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to receive the notification and watch that particular video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become a data bundle agent on a particular website. So let's quickly head over to that website. So I have the app on my phone. I have the app to that website on my phone. So this is the app. Please, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. This particular website, I made video about this website some time ago, and I have realized that this particular website was updated recently. There is a new way that you place orders on this particular website. That is why I need to record this video for you once again. All right, so let me quickly open this app. That is the app leading to the website. So when I click on the app like that, quickly, the app is very fast. It took me to the interface of this particular website. So the name of the website is Balanced Data. The name of the website is Balanced Data. If you don't have the app, you can use the web version. So let's quickly click on login. Let's click on login. So on this portal, that is what they are saying. So let's open it and see what is there. So when you click on the login, it will take you to this interface where you can see the available packages. But before we move to the available packages, please let's check the slides here. Let's check the slides here after registration. So you click here to register. Then their WhatsApp channel, you click on the join now to join their WhatsApp channel. You can also click on WhatsApp us now to register yourself on WhatsApp. This one you join their WhatsApp channel to receive update. Then this one you chat them on WhatsApp. Previously there was no WhatsApp contact, but now there is a WhatsApp contact that you can chat. In case you face any challenge, in case you encounter any problem, you'll be able to reach out to their customer support service on WhatsApp and they will sort you out. So let's quickly scroll and let's come to the available packages here. Previously, this portal was having the yellow package, which was the MTN, and then the AT, Airtel Tigo. And now, as we can see here, we have the Airtel Tigo here, the AFA registration here. Then we also have the MTN here, and then Telecel. We have Telecel also on this particular website. Now, you can reach out to their customer support personnel on WhatsApp. You can reach out to their customer support personnel on WhatsApp. And now they work from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you can click on this WhatsApp icon to join their WhatsApp channel. You can click on this WhatsApp icon to join their WhatsApp channel. All right, so now let's look at how we can be able to place orders on this particular website and the available packages on this website. So you click on the MTN logo or you click on buy now. When you click on buy now, the system is going to respond. And when you click on the MTN logo also, the system is going to respond. So when you click on any of those things, it should be able to take you to this stage here where we will see an interface like this. You see an interface like this, packages, then enter beneficiary numbers. So choose package. So let's click on the drop down here. When we click on the drop down arrow, these are the available packages under the MTN portal. So the 1 gig here is 5 cedis 80 pesos. The 2 gig here is 10 cedis 50 pesos. The 3 gig there is 17 cedis. The 4 gig here is 21 cedi, which is not easy for you to get on any other portal again. Then the 5 gig there is 25 cedis. The 6 gig is 31 cedis, which is very cheap. The 8 gig is 38 cedis. The 9 gig there is 43 cedis. Then the 10 gig is 48 cedis. These particular packages were reduced recently. The 10 gig like this was 49 cedis. Then it was reduced to 48 cedis. When you check all the packages here, they are very cheap. The prices are very cheap. So you can use this particular website to buy and sell data bundle packages at affordable prices. These people, they don't charge any registration fee. They don't charge registration fees before you become their agent, or before you become an agent on that particular website. They don't charge registration fee before you can become a normal customer too. So please make sure that you watch the video from the beginning to the end as I show you how you can be able to place orders on this particular website. There is a new way that you place orders on this particular website. All right, so let's quickly go back. Then we have another section here, that is enter beneficiary number. Previously on this portal, you need to enter the number in the order comment section. Then you have to leave an order comment, and you have to go through a lot of procedures before you can be able to place orders on the previous version of this portal. But the updated version of this portal is very simple. You will not pass through any stress before you place orders on this portal. Okay, so let's come to the top here. Let's click on this button there. Good. Now when you click on store, it will take you to the available packages, and when you click on WhatsApp as, it will take you to the WhatsApp support personnel, so that you can be able to chat that particular WhatsApp support personnel. So let's try something here. Click on store. When you click on store with a good internet connection, you should be able to see the available packages here. It should be able to bring you back. Let's go back. When you click on WhatsApp us now, you should be able to reach out to the contact support personnel on WhatsApp. So if I have something that I want to report, if there is a problem that I'm facing and I want to inform the customer support personnel, I only have to go straight forward to the point. Good morning. Please, I placed an order. Okay, so let me just hit enter and let's see what is going to happen. So when you do it like that, the customer support personnel will attend to you. That is their customer support number. So please make sure that you follow simple instructions here. Make sure that you go by simple rules and regulations. When placing orders, make sure that you use the correct numbers. So please, have you seen something here? Have you seen something here? This is an automated message. So this is their WhatsApp channel link here. This is their WhatsApp channel link. So you click on that link to join their WhatsApp channel, and this is the link leading to their website. That is the link that you use to place orders in case you don't have the application on your phone. But if you also need the application on your phone, you can contact their support on WhatsApp and they can be able to give you the application. So now let's click on the yellow package, that is the MTN package, and let's learn how to place orders on this particular website. So select packages. Let's assume I want to buy 1 gig for myself. So let me quickly enter the number. Like this. Okay, so that is the number that I want to buy the package for. So you only need to select the package from here like this. Is it 1 gig? Is it 2 gig? Which one? You click on it. Then you enter the number that you want to buy the package for. Please enter only the number here. Please enter only the number here. So let's click on add to bag. After doing all those things, let's come to add to bag. Like that. And with a good internet connection, it should be able to take you to the next page like this. Please make sure that the number you are buying the package for is up to 10, and it is that number that you want to buy the package for. Please don't enter any wrong number. Okay, so your email address, so jj@gmail.com. Sorry, like this. So after that, you click on checkout. Click on checkout and let's see what is going to happen. Good. So we are here. Now let's click on go to payment. So you can see that it is loading now. Please, you need to enter your email address before you can proceed to the next step. So have you seen the name here? So you are paying 5 cedis 80 pesos to Balance Company. So that is the name of the company, Balance Company. So are you paying with mobile money or you are paying with card? I'm paying with mobile money. So you enter your mobile money number there like that. So I'm going to enter the mobile money number that I'm going to use to pay for that particular order there. Okay, so after entering the number, you need to select the network, but the network is automatically here. So let me click on confirm. When you click on confirm and you are using the website for the first time, a one-time password will be sent to your phone. So you need to get that one-time password, then you can proceed to the next step. A one-time password will be sent to your phone. Please enter it here so that you can be able to use the system. After entering the one-time password, then you click on authorize, then we are good to go. So the password has just been sent to me. So let me just paste the password there. Let me just paste my password, then we continue like that. So I only need to click on authorize. Click on authorize. After getting the password, you need to click on authorize. So please complete the authorization process by inputting your PIN on your mobile device. So now I have to enter my mobile money password so that I can be able to pay for that particular order. All right, so it's 5 cedis 80 pesos. That particular order is going to cost me 5 cedis 80 pesos. So I'm going to approve the 5 cedis 80 pesos. So I enter my password like this. I enter my mobile money password like that. Then I click on send. Click on send. Then we go to yes, approve. Do you want to approve this transaction? Yes, I want to approve the transaction. So good. I have successfully paid for that particular order. Payment successful. So please, that is how you place orders on the balanceddata.company.site website without facing any challenge. So after placing an order, the confirmation email will be sent to you here. So this is your order. In case you place an order and you didn't receive, this is where you come, you send a screenshot to their customer support WhatsApp number, and they'll be able to help you out. You can also print the order here. You can click on print order, then you send it to their customer support personnel on WhatsApp as they assist you to get your order delivered. All right, so please note something. They work from Monday to Saturday. They don't work on Sundays. I take it again, they don't work on Sundays. Now, after placing the order and you try to go back, this is what you see. This is what you see. So when you see something like this, the only thing that you need to do is to click on home. Just click on home. When you click on home like that, it will take you back to the main home page. All right, so now let's check the available packages on the AT here. Let's check the available packages on the Airtel Tigo. So when you click on the Airtel Tigo logo here, when you click on this Airtel Tigo logo here like that, it should be able to take you to the next page where you can be able to see the available packages and then the beneficiary number section. So this is where you enter the beneficiary number and then the available packages. You click on the drop down here, then you'll be able to see all the available packages on this particular website for the AT packages. All right, so we have from the 1 GB here to 100 GB. So the 1 GB here is costing 5 cedis, the 2 GB 10 cedis, and a whole lot. So please, you need to log into this website and scroll through all the available prices, and all the prices, they are very cheap. They are not common to get on any other website again. So let's go to the AFA registration side. When you click on the AFA registration logo, it should be able to take you to this step, this new page. It should be able to take you to this new page here. So you enter the beneficiary number, the beneficiary name, the Ghana card number, the date of birth, the region, and the location. So after everything, you follow the same procedure to place the AFA order on this particular website as well. And let's check the telesale packages here. Is that you click on the logo here or you click on the buy now. Any of them will work for you. Like this, it will take us to the available packages under the telesale portal. So you select a package like this. So these are the available packages on the telesale portal under the balanceddata.company.site website. So you select the one that you want to buy, then we proceed. So this is how you place orders on the balanceddata.company.site website. So if you have any issue, if you have any problem in the process of placing an order, you can contact their WhatsApp support personnel or you send them an email. How do you send them an email? Let's go back. Let me show you how you can be able to send them an email. So let me quickly go back to the first page of the app. Good. So this is the interface of the app. At the down here, at the bottom here, you click on contact us in case you want to send them an email. But if you want to send them a WhatsApp message, check from the bottom of the website. Then you can be able to get their WhatsApp number there. Or you come to the top here, then you check the slides here, join their WhatsApp channel, and then you click on this one here to WhatsApp them straightforward without any problem. So thank you very much. This is how you place orders on the balanceddata.company.site website. But for the sake of those who are not having the app, let's learn how we can be able to place orders using the link, using the website or using a website. So you quickly have to launch your browser here, launch your browser, then we enter the URL. So let's just begin to type balanceddata.company.site, balanceddata.company.site. Please make sure that you type the name well, balanceddata.company.site, like this. Balanced. Good. So immediately we type that. This is the website. Immediately you type that one, you'll be able to see this here. So click on this first one, balanced data. So when we click on it, it will be able to take us to the home page of the balanced data. Please have you seen that this one is also simple. So if you don't have the app, you can also use the web version of this particular app so that you can also place orders on this website without any stress and without any challenge. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video from the beginning to this level. Thank you very much for the right attention. Let's meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.